Hi, I'm Indiana from the Fairfield Woods Branch Library, and today I'm going to be showing you our week 6 take and make, which is this clay photo holder. So if you were able to get one of these take and make bags from either library, inside you will find a packet of Crayola Model Magic, a paintbrush, 2 little liquid watercolors, which are very messy, and one of these photo holders. If you weren't able to get a bag, you can probably twist some wire into this shape and use any clay you have at home and paint it however you like, with markers, with paint, with whatever is available to you. So for this project, you can really make whatever shape or design that you want. This is an example of what Angie made. It's a like a trinket dish holder that also has the photo stand on top. I have the watercolor on my hand, so it's already dyeing my clay, so be careful with your watercolor. I think I'm going to make a teddy bear. So this clay is super forgivable. It is air dry clay. I'm just going to roll this into a ball. You can use whatever tools you have at home. You can use your kitchen utensils if your parents let you use that. Here's my little bear body. I'm going to make some arms. Like I said, you can do whatever you want. Mushrooms would be cute, which is the photo for the take and make when you get it in your little pack. If you want to make a cat or a dog, or if you want to do what Angie did and make like a little tray. As long as you have a solid base to put your photo holder, this wire piece into, then any design will work. I'm gonna keep working on my little bear here. So if you want to make a bear, I'll show you what I'm doing. So I put little arms on his body there. Now I'm going to make him little feet. If you have clay left over, you can use that to make another one. And like I said, you can wrap wire to form this swirly shape to hold your photo in. And I'll also show you how that holds photos in case you're super confused. So I'm putting little feet on now. I'm just rolling little like snakes, and it doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just making a little teddy bear friend. There's his little feet sitting there. Now we can make his head. And there's tons of clay tutorials on YouTube if there's something specific that you want to make. A cat or a dog or a bunny rabbit, anything like that. I'm sure there is a video for it. Just look up clay tutorials and I'm sure you can find something. So I rolled a ball for his head, and now I am rolling 2 little balls for his ears. And then I'm going to roll another one for his little snout. Do those match? Like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. Just do it however you want and to whatever ability you have. Oop, there's his little bear head. And I'm going to roll a little snout, which is more of an oval shape, and put it there. Like that. I'm going to give him a teeny tiny little nose. So cute. And then I like to, when I make little clay animals like this, I like to use like the end of the paintbrush or even the end of this and poke in little holes for the eyeballs. You can also make like 3D eyeballs and roll little balls and put them on there, but I think this looks really cute when it's like that. And then I'm just gonna stick this onto my body that I made. This clay is super soft, so it is easy to work with and a little difficult at the same time. Just keep working until it comes out how you want it to. There's my little teddy bear. I think I'm actually gonna give him a little tail too. Just another little ball I'm gonna roll and plop on the back there. And then you wanna make sure he's nice and flat and can sit there so that your photo holder is not rolling around everywhere. And we're literally just gonna stick this in his head. Sorry, bear. And he should hold it up straight, just like that. So then this is air dry clay, so we don't have to bake it or anything. We're just gonna let it sit for a few days until it is rock solid. Can you hear that? That's Angie's. It is hard, and she waited until hers was hard before she painted it. So I'm not gonna show you how you can paint it, but you can use the watercolors that came in the kit. Like I said, they are very messy, so be careful. You can water them down if you'd like, and just use the paintbrush from the kit to paint your dried creation. And then I will show you how to use this little stand to put a photo in it. So in order to use this as a photo frame, we are just going to take a picture and we are going to put it in between the little twists and turns of the photo holder, just like that. This definitely works best with a stiffer paper, so this is cardstock, but something like a Polaroid works really well. So that is how you make one of these cute clay photo holders. Like I said, you can customize it however you like. Just make sure that you leave it out for a few days to fully dry before you paint it or color it in, or even put something in the photo holder part, unlike what I did. If you're doing the summer challenge, the code for this week is pictures, which I will put on the screen here. It's just pictures. So have fun crafting. Thanks.